Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to voice to text on Google Docs. This powerful feature allows you to dictate your thoughts directly into your document, saving you time and effort. To begin, simply open your Google Docs document. Then, navigate to the Tools menu located at the top of your screen. From there, select the Voice Typing option. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and ready to go for a smooth experience. Once you have enabled voice typing, a small microphone icon will appear, usually on the left side of your document. To start dictating, simply click this microphone icon. It will change color, indicating that it is actively listening. Begin speaking clearly and at a natural, conversational pace. Your spoken words will then magically appear as text directly within your Google Docs document. Remember to speak distinctly for the best results. Voice typing in Google Docs also understands many commands for punctuation and formatting. For instance, you can simply say period, comma, question mark, or exclamation point to add them. To create a new paragraph, just say new paragraph. For a line break, say new line. If you make a mistake, you can either manually type the correction or use a voice command like delete that to remove the last spoken words. This makes editing quite efficient. To achieve the highest accuracy with voice typing, consider a few key tips. First, try to speak in a quiet environment to reduce any background noise that might interfere with the transcription. Second, enunciate your words clearly and avoid mumbling. A clear speaking voice helps the system understand you better. Finally, always take a moment to review the transcribed text. While highly accurate, a quick read-through ensures everything is exactly as you intended, allowing for any minor corrections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.